If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Outlook account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials to log in. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your account. Look for options related to security settings, often found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Find two-step verification. In the security settings, locate the section for two-step verification or two-factor authentication. This may be labeled differently depending on updates, but it should be clearly marked. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. Click on the option to manage or turn off two-step verification. You may be prompted to verify your identity again through a code sent to your registered phone or email. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-step verification, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will no longer be active on your Outlook account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.